Hello children, we are starting with practice set 9.3. First question, find the surface area and volumes of spheres of the following radii. Pi equals to 3.14. Given first radius r equals to 4 centimeter, we have to find out the surface area and volume of sphere. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Very clear? Substitute the value, we'll get surface area of the sphere equals to 200.96 square centimeter. Volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the value, you will get after simplification volume of sphere equals to 267.95 cubic centimeter. Next, radius is 9 centimeter. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Substitute the value, you will get 1017.36 square centimeter. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Substitute the value and calculate. You will get volume of sphere equals to 3052.08 cubic centimeter. Next, radius is 3.5 centimeter. So surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Substituting the value, we get surface area of sphere equals to 153.86 square centimeter, and volume of sphere by applying formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, we get after substituting and calculating the value, volume of sphere equals to 179.50 cubic centimeter. Next question. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. Pi equals to 3.14. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Substituting the value, you will get 157 square centimeter. Total surface area of hemisphere 3 pi r square. So 3 into pi r square, if you calculate, you will get 235.5 square centimeter. Therefore, the curved surface area and total surface area of hemisphere are 157 square centimeter and 235.5 square centimeter respectively. Next question. If total surface area of sphere is 2826 centimeter square, then find its volume. Pi equals to 3.14. So surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. Substituting the value here and calculating. Here you know that we cross multiply for r square equals to, so 4 into 3.14 will come in denominator here. Remove the decimal point from here, 2 zeros will be added, and then simplify this. You will get 900 upon 4. That is nothing but r square equals to 225. By taking square root, we get r equals to 15 centimeter. Volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3, 3.14 into 15 cube, simplify it, you will get 14,130 cubic centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the sphere is 14,130 cubic centimeter. Question 4. Find the surface area of sphere if its volume is 38,808 cubic centimeter. Pi equals to 22 by 7. So, volume of sphere equals to 38,808 cubic centimeter. Find surface area of sphere. Volume of sphere equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Simplify it. R cube equals to 38,808 into 3 into 7. Cross multiply upon 4 into 28. When you simplify this, you will get r equals to 21 centimeter. Surface area of sphere equals to 4 pi r square. 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Simplify this, you will get 5,544 square centimeter. Therefore, the surface area of sphere is 5,544 square centimeter. Next problem, please see. volume of hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. Find its diameter. Volume of hemisphere is 18,000 pi cubic centimeter. So volume of hemisphere you know very well, 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So 18,000 pi equals to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi gets cancelled. Very easy. So 18,000 equals to 3 r cube. Therefore, r cube equals to 18,000 into 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 9,000 and 9 threes are 27,000. R cube equals to 27,000. Therefore, r equals to 30 centimeter. Taking cube on both the sides. Diameter equals to twice radius. So, this equals to 2 into 30 equals to 60 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of the hemisphere is 60 centimeter. Once you understand, very easy problems there. Keep solving. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.